Welcome to Lancaster Shores in Lake Alfred, Florida. This home is located across the street from Lake Echo and is in walking distance to the public boat ramp and fishing dock. This home has been remodeled very nicely. You will enjoy the updated kitchen, which includes stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, backsplash, wood cabinets, pantry, and eat-in kitchen with track lighting. The living areas have hardwood floors. The bedrooms have carpet. You will notice a picturesque window in the living room facing towards the lake. This home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, dining room, kitchen, living room, laundry room, bonus room currently being used as a 4th bedroom with an armoire. There is also a second bonus room in the detached garage. This bonus room was last used as an office. It is air conditioned, not included in the total aired area, vinyl planking, surround sound, Shiplap Accent Wall, track lighting, built-in desk, and wired for internet. This area could continue as an office, playroom, craft room, or maybe a 5th bedroom but would need a closet. This home utilizes natural gas for your central heating, stove, dryer, and Rinnai Tankless Water Heater. You will also notice plantation shutters in several rooms. The yard is beautifully manicured with a huge Magnolia tree and several Crepe Myrtle trees. There is a Large Lanai with acrylic windows in the backyard with terracotta flooring that I am sure you will enjoy. There is a 140-foot well for irrigation. In addition to the carport, there is an additional driveway and parking pad in the backyard next to the detached garage. No homeowners association. Roof 2004, architectural shingles, AC 2010, water heater 2006. All sizes are approximate. Call for your showing to see more features.